Hey guys! So today, guess what I'm going to show you? How to curl your hair with socks. That's right. Your hair. With socks. So let's get started. So first, you're going to need some kids spray on detangler. If your hair's naughty, by the way. I don't have a cup lid. I'm just going to fill it up with this cup. Just clean it up with socks. I'm just filling the sock up. See here, detangler. Brush your hair. Oh. 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 Ow. 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 And this will make your hair grow faster too, if you don't use heat products. So after that, you need staying conditioner. I got this from, I don't know, Target, I think. Stay and sleep for 3 days. Get that. Put it all in your hair. When it's wet, of course, I think. You can put it in when it's dry, I don't know. I never put it in when it was dry, so don't ask me. I just do what usually people do. Feels slick already. It's slick. Now what you're gonna do? Grab your brush. You thought I was gonna say hair. Huh. Joke's on you. Get the layer. Get your long fuzzy socks there. Fill that sock up. Roll it, roll it, roll it. So this is what it looks like. Oh, no, I am. Okay, next. But we're not done yet. That's tomorrow. Get this. What you do? Spray it so it stays. And then you spray it in the morning too, so it stays extra. And if you feel like putting it in the morning for some reason, leave it in for 12. Leave it in for 12 to 8 hours. I sprayed it in my ear. Kevin, my partner, can you spray this in the back for me? Well, in the back for me. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Got it? Thanks. Yeah. That looks enough. my little assistant. He's 8 years old. Wait, okay, so yeah, there are the results. And this is the active. Peace. Like and subscribe down below.